Hi, my name is Nay. I'm about to change the rear light wire harness on the passenger side of this Nissan Titan. I got this Nissan Titan from the auction. Got it from the auction. This is my little toy to fix. And I'm fixing today this right here, the passenger rear side rear light wire harness. And this is the part that I'm changing. And I think these are pretty much year-round off of the tools that I'm gonna need. 10mm socket, you know what I mean? Because a lot of times the screws might get stripped, so it's better to lose a socket instead of this right here, because this is what you really need. Screwdriver, but you can often strip it, so it's best to use this. And then to pull these out of the old one, I got this and this. Okay, I'm gonna need to go underneath the vehicle, and when I go underneath the vehicle, I'm gonna need to unplug this wire right here. And this one right here. And this one right here. Why? I'm gonna show you why. Look how everything is spiced in here. It's causing wiring problems. So I may need to change this main wire. But right now, this one needs to be changed because the same person did this spicing in this. This spicing in the all the way over there in the rear tail. Okay, so you can see where I got this hanging down where I hooked it. Somebody was spicing in right here in the light bulb. This is not put, by the way, this is not supposed to be hanging down like this. I unhooked it ahead of time so that way I can record and show you where this has been spiced in, where somebody messed with it. There's corrosion in the wire now. So I got to change the whole line. The whole line comes up in there. Way down here, then it'll come around right here, comes down here and plugs in right here. Lower this tailgate, and I'm gonna unscrew this screw right here and this screw right here with a 10mm. I'm gonna unscrew this first. That's tight. Two is good up there. I had this off. I put it back on so the way I can order the wire harness. And it's more than obvious than the whole wire harness. Don't leave the screw. Slide this out. And as you see, I had unscrewed these two, which are not supposed to be automatically unscrewed, but I unscrewed them because one was completely broke off. I'm gonna show you the other piece. Okay, When you take it off, this is how it was looking. This piece completely broke off. This right here, somebody had spiced into it. I covered it up. The little red wire right there, put that on there. But somebody had already spiced in it. So it just makes sense to change this whole wire harness, which this wire will go up in there on down to the bottom. So that's what I'm going to change. I want to make sure I don't break this, which I do need replacement. I got it from the auction. As you see, it came from the auction with this dent already there. I didn't pay a lot of money for the truck, but it was a good deal. Anyway, you can see, you want to twist this out and you pull up. Having problems with the camera, excuse me. I'm about to show how you need to snatch the bub out. Just pull it out. It pulls out real easy. And set it off to the side. Really need to put in a cloth, but I don't know if the bub any good or not. So I'm just sitting on the back of the tailgate. Do the same to this because it ain't no good. Because it got to come out. I'm going to unscrew these. Press in internal. Cloth and touch this. I got this bub out of this small little spot right here. As you see, it's actually blowed. This is blowed. This is how a blow bub look. It's all dark. Doesn't look like the other lights. No biggie, take it out. Just so I don't bust it up. Gotta change this whole wire anyway. Now, I'm about to see this wire right here? All this wire gotta come out. I'm gonna take this right here and ply this out right here. And pop this out. I need to go underneath and unhook the wires underneath that I showed. Let me go up underneath the here. Let me grab these pliers. Grab these right here. They're good for pulling things out. Unplug things. Now I'm about to go underneath of here. Over here to that wire. With these. Unplug. Now I'm gonna unplug it. Now, you see, I'll place the pliers right here on this. I'm gonna pull back on the back side. Pull it apart and it'll unplug real easy.